Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. This is Ishwarya, bringing you yoga practices all the way from India, its roots. Today we're going to break down Matsyasana. Matsyasana means fish pose. So, like the name suggests, it kind of gives you a streamlined asana or the pose for your body, and it's a lying down on your back supine posture. This posture is going to give you a nice open chest, and it is going to test the strength of your upper back. So in case you have any injuries in your upper back, make sure to avoid this. Matsyasana is also done during the end of the practice after doing the vigorous asana practice when you are in your supine position right before your shavasana. So you can call this a cooling part of your practice. I'll show you multiple variations for different levels of practitioners. So you can also practice this as a beginner and as an advanced practitioner. So let's get started. I want you to come and lie down on your back. So first we're going to try and get into the pose in the variation that I usually prefer to. If you're not comfortable, I'll show you another variation. Alright, so you're going to stretch the legs, bring the forearm on the floor like this. Okay, now you'll have to trust yourself on this because it can feel a little scary in the start. So here what you're going to do is you're going to walk your elbows down and down. Remember, you're lifting the chest up as much as you can, walking the elbows down. Now slowly dropping the neck back. Okay. Be very careful if you have any cervical problems. Again, I'm walking the elbows down towards the knees and slowly lifting the chest up and gently placing the crown on the floor. This is a very simple variation. Keeping the palms down, elbows down, crown is on the floor. It's taking care of the load and the weight of my upper body. I'm constantly lifting the chest up, dropping the shoulder down on the floor. Palm is on the floor, and we breathe here. And now again bring your forearms down, lift your head up slightly and relax in Shavasana. Okay. Now if this entry did not work out for you, another method that I like to use is the palms under the shoulders method. So you're going to lie down on the back and you're going to bring your palms so that the fingertips are facing the toes. So I'm placing the fingertips down. Hands are near the shoulders. Now without keeping the elbows away, I'm bringing the elbows so that it's facing the ceiling. Now what I do is lift up and then place the crown down on the floor and then release the hands down. This is another entry. Stay here and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you feel comfortable, bring the hands back, push with your palms, lift the head and come back down. If both these entries are difficult, we'll do another entry with the use of a block or a pillow. So I'm going to take a block and place it near the upper back. So between the shoulder blades is where the block must come. You're going to place the block here and gently drop on the block. Here you don't have to do anything. You already get the benefits of the asana because you're lying down on the block. You're going to open the chest. So stretch the legs, try to drop the head down, relax the palms. This is more than enough as an absolute beginner to start with. You're just going to hold here for a few seconds. It's really good for you in case you don't want to use your strength to come into Matsyasana, but you want to work on your posture, especially if you're working 9 to 5 on a desk job or anything like that and you want to work on your posture. This is a great way to do it. Bring the feet together, roll onto the side and gently lift off the block. We'll go on to a little bit more advanced variations. You can try this if you felt comfortable trying all the three before. Here, what we will be doing is, you will be getting into Padmasana with your legs. Padmasana with the legs. From here, drop down and lie down on the back. I am lying down on the back, and from here I am lifting up into Matsyasana and then holding the big toe so that the palm is facing up towards the ceiling, holding with the index and middle finger and pulling the elbows down, knees down towards the floor. Keep pushing the knees down. In case you're not able to hold the toes, you can also slide your palms under the thighs. Keep pushing the knees down towards the floor and stay. If holding feels comfortable, hold the big toe, pull the elbows down, push the knees down towards the floor. Keep opening the chest. You'll feel a compression in your mid back, lower back and your upper back. Keep breathing here. In whatever variation you are, keep breathing. Slowly release. Prop yourself up on your forearms. Bring the head down. Release the Padmasana and relax in Shavasana. Gently roll yourself onto the side and come to a seated position. To prepare for this asana, you can start with the easier variations where you keep the block behind your back and open your chest. Once you feel more and more comfortable placing the crown of the head on the floor, then you can start seeing and learning how to prop yourself up on your own using your palms or by using your elbows and lifting yourself up. Try any variation you like. Everything comes with practice. Thank you all for joining me today. I'll see you again in another video.